And this is my tricycle out for the first time for Glamour Shot. I'm with Greg Blatchford, a co-worker.
Greg, you can
help his two kids. His wife's on the camera. And got a bumper hitch on the back of my car. And the rear wheel pivots. His son's kind of in the way of the stand that pivots for the rear wheel. And I'm very happy with the bumper trailer. For the local college near the engineering building. It's a round building. You'll see me go around it a couple of times. And, not setting any speed records here. I'm just trying to get a shot of the bike in action. And there's Greg and his two children sitting on the bench watching me go by. It's a nice sunny Sunday morning. Not much wind. That yellow thing on the back behind my helmet is a frisbee, and I have that just to draw people into conversation, asking what it's for, and I say, well, if I get going fast enough I can fly because of the lift of the frisbee wing, which is true. I haven't calculated how fast I would have to go. You do get lift. I recently completed the helmet. Greg also helped me make my helmet. I got it a regular bicycle helmet because didn't think it was comfortable enough, and then with it on my head we injected it with foam so that I would get a precise fit to my head. I'm very happy with it. I chose this building because there's some overhead walkways that I thought would make an interesting camera angles, and pretty pleased with it. The thing I did wrong was I didn't get any close-ups or any wheel shots, or very few wheel shots. Loading it back up on the bumper, some still shots, and finally a close-up of the t-shirt.